What if I told you that there is a new app that pays you real money just for posting videos? You don't need followers and there are no monetization requirements before you can start earning, and a lot of people are already cashing out. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use this new app, how people are making money from it, and how you can start today even as a beginner. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Tolulope, and on this channel, I share the best ways to make money online, latest apps that pay, and honest tech reviews. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment if you have questions or just telling me the next app you want me to review. Now, let's get into it. So first of all, what exactly is the name of this app? The app I'm introducing in today's video is called Reinbow app. Reinbow is a new money-making app where you can get paid to post videos, earn when people like your content, and make money from live streaming as well. And the crazy part is, you don't need to be an influencer to start. Somewhere in this video, I'll teach you how to earn a lot of money from this app. Now let me break it down simply so you understand how this works. On Reinbow, every like is equals to coins, and the coins is equals to real money. Once you reach 2,000 coins, you can withdraw about $20. So imagine posting videos consistently and getting engagement. That's how people are already earning daily from this app. This, and these are real and recent payment proofs from users that are already on the platform. Don't snooze on this one, no. Now let me walk you through how to get started with Reinbow app step by step. Step 1, you have to download the app and sign up. So check the link in the first comment below, use it to download the app, and after downloading, open it, select your language, and then click on the profile icon for you to sign up. Now listen to this very important message. You don't actually need a VPN to access this app because it's available worldwide, but you may need a US or UK number to receive an OTP or verification code. And if you like, you can explore or test the app with a VPN, but you don't need it. If you don't know where to get a working UK or US number that is cheap for this app, just ask me in the comment section, I will send it to you. So for this particular tutorial, I'll be using United Kingdom. Okay, I think I have a United Kingdom number, so that's what I'm going to be using. So once you've gotten your number, you enter your phone number here. Okay, and immediately they're going to send you a verification code from whatsoever app you used to get your number. You go back and check if they've sent a verification code. Alright, so I've gotten my code. I'll quickly copy it and go back to Reinbow app to paste it here. Okay, so now the next thing, what's your name? Just enter your full name here. After that, you just enter a planet name. It could just be your nickname. Once you have confirmed that, just enter your date of birth. So that's just it, guys. You will be redirected to the dashboard. You are now ready to start earning. This takes us to step 3, where I'll be showing you the 3 main ways you can make money on the Reinbow app. The first one is by posting videos. So Reinbow app will pay you to upload videos on their platform. Now, you can choose to use already made videos from TikTok, Facebook clips, or just record and upload your own content. So how do you do this? Click the plus icon below and then click on post video. Okay, so grant it the necessary permission it's asking you to, and here you can decide to record a video or simply click on your library to upload the video you already have on your device. Okay, and once you've chosen the video, you can choose to add music. Okay, just to make your video sound nice, you can add music, and once you're done with everything, just click on this mark here to upload your video, and that's it. The more engagement and likes your video gets, the more coins you earn. The second main way you make money on Reinbow is by engaging with other people's videos. Yes, when you like other people's videos, comment and interact on their videos, you earn coins. Now, it is important for you to note that you need tokens on the app to like another person's video. Okay, and once you like their video, your tokens are automatically converted to coins for them. You earn because you engaged with their videos, and they earn for your engaging on their videos. Let me show you how you can get tokens on the app. To get tokens on your profile, click on the wallet icon, okay, and you'll be taken to this place where you can see your balance and some certain number of tasks that you are to complete in order for you to get tokens. So the first one says you need to reply to 50 videos. Okay, if you can reply to that's you commenting rather on 50 videos, you get 10 tokens. The second one says orbit 200 planets and you get to 10 tokens. The third one says okay, the third one is for you to get coins. The fourth one says star 100 points and you get 10 tokens. Star here means like, so if you are starring any post or any content or any video at all, you are liking that post. So another way you can get tokens on the app is when you invite a friend. Okay, if you invite a friend to the platform, you get 25 tokens. And lastly, which is the highest among all of them, you leave a review. Okay, just leave a good review about the app on Play Store or App Store, and then you'll be given 100 tokens automatically. So now you can use these tokens after you have completed all the tasks. So to go ahead, just click on any of the tasks and then you'll be told what to do next. Finally, the third main way you can make money on the Reinbow app is by going live. Yes, when you go live on this platform, interact with people, just teach something and entertain your audience or viewers, you get paid. And one thing about this platform is that there are gifters like on standby ready to gift you and send you coins on the platform. So ensure you go live regularly because they are there waiting for you. You get what I'm trying to say? So now to go live is just the same way you post the video. For those of you watching and paying attention, I believe you saw the go live option underneath the post video option. So just like you did when you wanted to post the video, you just click on go live. You set up your live stream and then finally click on the start live button when you know you're ready to go live. Okay, so voila, you're live streaming. And as you can see, I even had 2 instant viewers, so there are a lot of people ready to engage and interact with you on this platform. And the last step is to finally withdraw your money. So once you've accumulated a total of 2,000 coins, which is equivalent to $20, you can withdraw. Okay, and how do you do this? You go to your wallet. Okay, you click on withdraw and then input your balance, after which you connect your PayPal account and boom, you get paid. From my research and at the time I'm recording this video, I hear that they pay instantly, so you don't have to wait for a longer duration of time before your payment gets to you. So anybody with anything contrary can let us know in the comments below. Now, before you jump in and get started on this platform, here are some important things I would like to share with you. Okay, this app is still new, so it may be slow sometimes, and not all countries receive OTP easily, just as you see as I received mine easily when we were registering. Okay, and you need consistent posting to earn very well on this platform. Yes, if you want to make money, you can't just post one video and then abandon the app and expect hundreds of dollars to appear on your account balance. You get what I'm trying to say? So ensure you are posting consistently because you earn by posting videos on the platform. Okay, and if you want to earn more, you have to post more. Earlier in this video, I promised to show you how you can make a lot of money on this platform. So listen attentively. Make sure you post viral short videos every day. Okay, focus on entertaining or trending content. Okay, all those type of videos that will captivate people's attention. All right, and make sure you stay consistent for at least 7 days. And to assist you with likes and engagement, I created a Telegram group, which I would like you to join so we can get to know one another. This way, we'll be able to get a lot of people to orbit us or follow us on the platform to help us complete our tasks. And we earn all together, helping one another. I'll leave the link attached in the first comment below. Now, lastly, to make a lot of money from Reinbow app, you can choose to invite your friends using your referral link. Yes, because most people earning earning a lot of money, just like the amounts you see in the cash out proof, are earning this fast using referrals. Okay, so if it's something you can do, you can just try it out. But if you don't want to, it's fine. There are other main ways I've discussed in this video so far on how to make money on the platform. Just do the one that is within your power. So guys, this is one of the latest apps that pays you to post videos in 2026. If you want more videos on apps that pay, make money online strategies and tech tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe, like this video and drop a comment below. This is Jessica Tolulope and I'll see you guys in my next leaked video. Don't miss it.